Everyone, this is Market Ready, and this is the fourth video in our daily bias series. So we talk the first video about the anatomy of the weekly candle, talk about continuation model, reversal model. We talked about the engulfing candlestick pattern. Now we're gonna talk about a very important matter, which is the anatomy of the daily candle. So the same way as we talked about the weekly candle. For the daily candle, we have I will take an example of the bearish candle. We have the opening, the high, the lowest point, the closure. Now I will do it better. So they have the opening, the highest point, the lowest point, the closure. Okay, so you can see that the highest point and the lowest point are extremely important as the opening and the closure. Why? Because where the candle reaches, which is the highest point, the lowest point, and where it closes, says a lot about the strength of the selling power of the buying power. For example, if we have a key level here, let's say this is, I will make it thicker, and this is previous day low. And on the left, this previous day low. So the candle reaching below previous day low and closing above has nothing to do about the candle reaching the candle and closing below. This is the key level holding. This is the key level being swept and broken. If we want to project this, so we can understand that the candle closing above or below specific price level is extremely relevant. If we want to project this on our example, so this is the previous weekly candle, we sweep the high, we reverse, we get inside the range back, we make an engulfing, we retrace to 50% of this candle, and we close below. Then here we can't expect a continuation. Why? Because we reached below the previous week, the previous daily candle week and closure. We're going to say a little bit here. Now, for instance, we will have here another candle, but the week will go below. Let's say, let's make it bullish. We can make it bullish. Make it green one. No, it was wrong. This is black. Style must be green. That's it. So what this pattern says that we open at the same level previous day candle. We went all the way back, but we could not close below. We went up. So here there is something blocking here. Maybe it's an order block, maybe it's a demand zone, maybe it's an FVG, bullish FVG. But we cannot say that the bearish bias is as strong as this level. So at which level the candle closes, whether we are bullish or bearish. In the bearish scenario, the candle must close below previous day high. We'll remove this. We will modify this label. That level. Can we make right level background, top levels? No, okay. We'll make it just a simple range. Yeah. So this is previous day high, previous day low. So whether or not we take previous day high, and whether or not we close in the bearish scenario, whether or not we could take previous day low, and whether or not we close it below or above the previous day low, says a lot about the strength of the bias. So here, in this example, not only we took previous day low, but we closed below it. In this case, we took previous day low, but we closed above it. So in this case, the bias is not as strong as it was before, and we can even think about switching our bias if the candle which comes after take previous day high and closes above it. Okay, I wanted to see this. Is there a way to not see the coordinate? Background, label background, price range, and the price stat. No. Yeah. So the behavior of the candle regarding previous day high and low is extremely important in within the daily bias of the week. The same way as the previous week high and previous week low will set a tone for the direction of the daily candles for the week. The closure above or below the previous daily candle will set the tone of the following candle. For example, this candle since actually what is the engulfing candle? Is the candle that will take previous day low. What is an engulfing daily candle is the candle that will take previous daily low and close below it. An engulfing bullish candle will be a candle that will take previous daily high and closes above it. So previous daily high low, whether they are swept or not, are extremely important within the daily bias. So you can see here that it closes above previous daily high and price is more likely to go the other direction. So that's it. We're going to see in the next coming videos what are the factors and benefit that will make us switch bias within the same week and the manifestations of this change in the